In Walmart, got some Health-Ade Kombucha Pink Lady Apple, pomegranate, watermelon, Roma tomatoes, some red seedless grapes, in the bakery I got some all butter croissants, bell pepper, gotta put that in the bag, cucumber, some Lay's cheddar and sour cream. Got 4 of these shots, vitamin D and zinc. Soothe your digestion. And the elderberry one. Picked up some more kale greens. Purchase these every week. Also, I picked up some Boathouse matchstick carrots, some fresh spinach, baby bella mushrooms, big bag of the kale greens. We love these. Some avocado, mild cups, mini cups. You get 6 in here. Look at this John Soleil's beefsteak, $8 a bag. Got some bananas and some of these Mission street tacos. A yellow squash. And a zucchini. Big crinkle cut french fries. Got some Yorkshire Farm turkey smoked sausage. My son's request, some Cheeto Puffs. If you know, you know. Got a pack of the Nestle Toll House chocolate chip cookies. Got some Velveeta Shreds Mexican. Got some Sargento Ultra Thin Provolone cheese, 40 slices. Some Hormel Natural Choice. No preservatives, no nitrates, no artificial ingredients. Honey deli ham, 100% natural. Empty. Just trying to figure out what's going on, guys. Is it a drought on food? Because these coolers are empty. Empty. I like these little plastic containers, guys. They come in handy. Put your stuff in. My grapes off. Really good. Ready to put these in the fridge.